A sneeze is an explosive involuntary action that ejects thousands of droplets into the air. If the person has influenza, millions of virus particles can be along for the ride. The virus can remain active for hours on surfaces. Smaller particles can stay airborne for some time, potentially infecting anyone who encounters them. Get your yearly influenza vaccination now. For many people, it's free. Talk to your doctor or nurse about the benefits and possible risks, or text FLU to 515. The vaccine is a prescription medicine.